write it, you can pause your video so you'll have time to work it, and then you can watch me work it and see if you got it right. Alright, first, let's see this. We'll have 6 cosine of pi over 2 plus I sine pi over 2 divided by 2 cosine pi over 3 I plus I sine pi over 3. Alright, pause your video, work this one, and then in a second when you're ready, you go ahead and hit play, and then you'll see how I did it and see if you got it right. Okay, since we're dividing, we divide the r's, subtract the thetas. So we'll have cosine pi over 2, theta sub 1 minus pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 2 minus pi over 3. Now to subtract these, excuse me. Another way I've taught you to do this, I gave you this formula where A over B minus C over D, when they're not alike, is you can take pi times 3, which is 3 pi, minus 2 times pi, which is 2 pi, all over 2 times 3, which is 6. 3 pi minus 2 pi is pi, 1 pi over 6. So that means, or you could multiply the first fraction by 3 and the second one by 2, and you'd have 3 pi over 6 minus 2 pi over 6. All right. So now we have 3, if we divide that, cosine of pi over 6 plus I sine pi over 6. And again, we have a special triangle. So, in this case, 6 tells us we got a 30-degree angle in the first quadrant. Pi over 6 is in the first. So that's in this quadrant. 30 is our reference angle. So that means this is a 1, 2, and a square root of 3. Okay. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that will be the square root of 3 over 2 plus sine is 1 over, excuse me, opposite over hypotenuse, 1/2. And that, don't forget your I, that's another common mistake here. And once we distribute the 3, we will be finished. And we have, can't simplify these, so 3 square root of 3 over 2 plus 3/2 I. And if you got that right, you know what you're doing. By the way, if you're in my class, you get 2 bonus points for each one of those, and you're on the honor system. I'll assume that you're telling the truth. And that's how you multiply and divide complex numbers in polar form.